Mighty StormGuard VISAO hybrid wiper blades are an excellent addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with 22mm push-button wiper arms. Before you begin, you'll need to determine the size of the wiper arm with a ruler or by trying to push a penny into the end of the arm. If you have a 22mm arm, and for this install you do, the penny will fit in firmly. If you have a 19mm arm, it will not fit. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by turning the blade upside down and pinching the clips on both sides of the blade and pulling the adapter downward. Discard the adapter. Next, find the long base adapter. Turn the blade right side up and lock the long base adapter into the blade by snapping the clips fully into place. Now, find the adapter labeled 3H2. Ensure the wings on the 3H2 adapter are folded in so they are locked in place on the front of it. With the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. Take note, the button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the wiper arm. Then, snap the wiper arm with the connected 3H2 adapter onto the long base adapter. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it! You're done! Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set! Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Mighty StormGuard VISAO wiper blades.